Hello friends and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. I hope your day is off to an amazing start. If you have not done so already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become part of our home decor family. Also take a look at some of our older videos. You'll find surely something on there that you will love. But in today's video, let's get into another design style. Let's talk about eclectic home decor. Almost stumbled over that word. Alright guys, so once again, similar to maximalist, eclectic home decor, it's not for everyone. This is not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but I did want to highlight this style because it is gorgeous nonetheless. And for the people that love eclectic, I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. Before I forget, go ahead and join our Facebook group, And Then There Was Style, so we can all talk and connect and just be one big happy family. Let's go. The eclectic interior design is perfect for all those creative souls who just can't be bothered to settle down with strict rules imposed by the guidelines of most other styles. It allows you to have complete control over colors and shapes and layouts in your home, but it advises you to be careful not to create a cluttered environment that has things that do not really create a harmonious look. I think that's the thing that most people are worried about when considering the eclectic home design decor style. Now, I'm almost certain that a lot of us already have some sort of an eclectic decor already in our home, even though you might not know about it. That's why I'm going to show you a bunch of awesome examples of eclectic living room, bedroom, sitting area designs, all these great examples, just so if it's something that you are interested in, you already have a huge head start in achieving the look in your home. Intriguing, deep, multi-layered, surprising. Yes, the eclectic design style evokes a whole host of adjectives that make it sound a lot more serious than it really is. I mean, it's just this mix of color and texture, of old and new and high and low, and it's a study in contrast that allows your unique personality to shine. And it gives you the freedom and the ability to really think outside of the home decor box. But if you think this freewheeling style of decorating is an anything goes free-for-all, then think again. It's also one of the trickiest styles to get just right. Not only does the eclectic interior design style embody richness and abundance, but it also delivers a pleasing unpredictability that's easily translated to every other style. But its flexibility can leave room for error. Start by following the rules until you feel comfortable, then have your way. So you guys know I try to always include the real formal definition of the style, and eclectic is kind of different because really there are rules, but there aren't rules. However, a definition that I found that I love is that eclectic design is a celebration of contrast that embodies a dynamic marriage of furniture and decor from movements and styles and eras. Eclectic interiors are also highly personal, yet carefully edited and cohesive. So it's all about grouping the things that you love all together, but grouping them in a way or a manner that everything flows and just feels right together. This room gives you the perfect example of eclectic, from the wicker bamboo chair over there, the random wall art, the mauve colored sofa, and a cheetah rug. So if you love this eclectic style and are kind of confused on where to start in your home, I have some tricks for you, just like just about every video. So my first tip would be to start simple. If you like the idea of eclectic style but don't really know if you can pull it off in your own space, my advice is to definitely start simple. I recommend starting with some small pops of color. Greens and blues are great in eclectic spaces, and they pair really well with natural materials and textures. And you can walk them back or forward pretty easily, adding more or less depending on your comfort level. Another easy way to do this is by incorporating botanical elements to your master bedroom. It's a really approachable step in the world of pattern mixing and color. So start simple by adding these elements through your decorative accents like throw pillows and wall art, and even some real plants, or if you don't have a green thumb, maybe some faux plants. You can also choose blankets, pillows, or rugs with tassels or palms, or mix some unexpected materials like woven elements with metallic accents. My next tip, add some natural textures. When it comes to designing an eclectic bedroom, incorporating natural textures is really just an absolute must. Natural texture adds a dynamic and casual vibe to your space. In bedrooms, people love starting with a solid foundation by getting a texture-forward bed, whether that's one with caning details or with a rattan frame or even an abaca-wrapped headboard. Natural fiber rugs also add great texture. And I love the idea of layering rugs if you like the texture of like a jute rug, but also want something soft and fluffy underneath. So just put your jute rug first and then lay your soft and fluffy rug on top of it, and you have such a natural and easy way to add a lot of texture and style to your room. So you can even bring natural textures to your walls by hanging some woven baskets and plates for a really unique textural gallery wall. Another tip, layer in mixed materials. Another key element to a really seamless eclectic design is mixing materials. You can keep your eclectic room more cohesive and neutral, but punctuate it with some color and metallic moments. Or you can punch it up with a wider array of materials, but in a cohesive color palette to really unite the space. You can also do this by the wood tones you choose, either sticking with one wood tone throughout or adding in contrasting tones to your room design. Another idea, create an unexpected asymmetrical layout. So with some eclectic rooms, you don't have to go with a traditional layout, whether we're talking about a bedroom or a living room. In fact, eclectic style will encourage you to try something a little different, a little funky, and a lot unexpected. Going eclectic lets you break some of the traditional rules of bedroom and living room design and go a little more casual. Another tip, try some wallpaper and pattern mixing. An eclectic bedroom or living room is the perfect place to make a major statement. And of course, we love making a statement with pattern wallpaper. We've actually done a video on wallpaper. I will try to link it down below. It's a really great watch. So you can either wallpaper your whole room for more of a statement or just use maybe one wall as an accent wall, whether it's behind a sofa or a bed. With wallpaper, you have the opportunity to go as big or as subtle as you'd like. That's the great thing about an eclectic style room. There's a scale and you can rev it up or you can turn it down depending on what you're comfortable with. So if you want to just dabble in the eclectic, go for a more subtle pattern. Or if you already know, look, this is the style that I want, you can go big and bold with a bright, busy pattern. Also, a good tip is a really ornate, busy wallpaper also takes the place of wall art. So it keeps the look, even though it is so bold and busy, it actually makes it look more simple because there's just that one thing to focus on. So these are all such great examples of the eclectic home decor, home design, room decor. However, this one in particular is probably one of my favorites. You have wood, you have black and white, you have plants, you have the texture of the rug. That room is gorgeous, guys. Alright guys, so as I always do, I want to ask you to please take a moment to do two things for me. One, comment your favorite usage of the eclectic style down below in the comment section. I'm so interested to see what you all are thinking. I've brought you a little more than 85 different rooms, different ideas. So I'm really interested in knowing which ones you guys liked. Also, answer me this question. Do you think that you would ever have an eclectic style room in your home or an eclectic style home? Let me know in the comment section. I know some people love it, some people not so much. Let me know where you weigh in. Alright guys, so I've already asked you to comment your favorite room down below. As always, I want to show you mine. It is this beauty right here. You guys, this room just really gives me treehouse vibes. I think it's perfectly eclectic, and it looks like a room I could curl up on the sofa and go to sleep for hours. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching. Go out there, have a beautiful day, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.